Lizard under the bridge. Oh, just a little one. Not a bad start to the day though. First fish of the day, folks. First fish of the day. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh, he's real nice. Oh, come here, buddy. Oh. I saw the shad just go everywhere, and then all of a sudden he was pulling on this lizard I'm throwing up shallow. Ooh, good start to the day. Good start to the day. All right, folks, so I'm out here at the Marble Lake chain. It's late summer, so you know, some fish are up shallow, some fish are out deep. The bite can get sluggish, but I'm gonna stick to docks and shallow grass today and see if I can't put some more fish like that in the boat. So let's get to it. All right, so as I mentioned, I caught that first fish on a 6-inch Texas rig zoom lure, which I love throwing at this time of the year because most of the life around the lake, whether that be shad or frogs or lizards, have grown up. So most of them bigger bass are looking to strike those bigger targets than compared to earlier in the spring. I can also work it slow or fast because of the design, meaning I can cover some water until I find fish. Giant snapping turtle over there, and a fish on the end of my line. He's stuck in some weeds up here shallow. Oh, he's pretty nice though. Oh, buddy. Let's the line out. Oh, he's running. Come back, bud. Come back. All right, don't let you go, buddy. Bye. Ooh, I thought, oh, he's all right. I thought he was pretty small, but he's pretty good. Fish 3 of the day. Fourth fish. Oh, that was the 4th fish of the day. They're hungry this morning. They are hungry. All for Lizzie. All right, so having caught those fish that were schooled up right outside the shallow, weedy canal entrance, I decided to head over to Archer Lake and start hitting up some docks with a wacky rig. First dock fish. Heck yeah, little, but he's gonna be the start of something more. I can feel it. GoPro stopped recording. Alright, so as you can tell, the docks were slow, even despite changing up worm style and color. So I decided to switch back to a lizard and get back into a canal, where I immediately got on some fish. Alright, fish on. Feels like another decent one. Oh, he's pretty good, pretty good. Feisty for sure. Here, big boy. GoPro, stop recording. Oh, come here, big boy. Come here, big boy. That's a chonker right there. Bye, buddy. Oh, we got another one. This is why I love these little canals on Archer Lake. This time of year, there's always fish. Oh my gosh, that is a big fish. Oh my gosh, come on. Stay out of there. Come towards me. That is a big fish. Big fish. Oh my gosh. That's a chonk. That's a chonk right there. Look at that guy. They're just eating up Lizzie. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Lizzie's gone. No. Bye, bud. Alright, so sadly that fish ate Lizzie. I got this other Lizzie, but it's kind of beat up and missing a tail. So, I don't know what I'm going to do. Alright, so it's not a Lizzie, but it is a Zoom or something game hog. It's kind of similar. Maybe it'll work. I also got a big green worm that's probably more similar to Lizzie, just without the legs on it, but we'll see if we can't get something to bite like they were biting Lizzie. Oh, he spit it. God, I suck at casting. I was really thinking there should be one on this shallow grass, and I found him. Oh, he's feisty. Oh, he's pretty big. All been real nice today. Real nice. Nice, Bessie. Shallow grass. Oh my gosh, there's a pike right here. Oh my gosh. I kind of want to catch him, but I also don't want to get my line just absolutely serrated by him, so. Missed him. Oh, he's back. He's back. Oh, he really wanted it the second time. Freaking came back and smashed it. Back on. Oh, how big is this fish? Oh, he's not huge. He's not small though. He's just stuck in the grass. Oh, another nice bassie on the day. Little one. Ow. Finally got one. Oh, come here, fishy. Why are you being so feisty, buddy? Oh, there you go, buddy. Alright, so while that last canal and a couple other spots I tried were pretty unsuccessful towards the end of the day, I had caught quite a few nice fish, so I decided to paddle in, make a few more casts, and call it a day. So until next time, that's all for Fishing with T-ravis.